Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on Windows. First, consider using Google Play Games Beta. This official platform offers a seamless experience, directly bringing your favorite mobile games to your desktop. Simply download the application, ensure your system meets the requirements, and sign in with your Google account. You'll find Clash of Clans readily available for installation, allowing you to pick up right where you left off on your mobile device. Another excellent method involves using an Android emulator. Popular choices include BlueStacks or Nox Player, which simulate an Android device on your Windows machine. After downloading and installing your chosen emulator, launch it and navigate to the Google Play Store. Search for Clash of Clans, install it, and then log in using your Supercell ID. This ensures all your village progress and achievements are perfectly synchronized across devices. For the best experience, your system should meet certain specifications. We recommend at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth operation, especially when using an emulator. A solid-state drive, or SSD, will drastically reduce loading times, getting you into battles faster. Always keep your graphics drivers updated for crisp visuals, and remember that a stable, high-speed internet connection is vital for seamless online play and game updates. To truly optimize your Clash of Clans experience on Windows, consider these tips. Customize your emulator's keybinds to suit your playstyle, making troop deployment and spell casting more intuitive. Always close background applications to dedicate maximum system resources to the game. Regularly clearing your emulator's cache can prevent slowdowns. Finally, a good gaming mouse can offer enhanced precision, giving you an edge in those critical clan wars.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.